Press and hold the center power button to power on the bike. Hold down the plus and minus buttons simultaneously to reach the settings menu. Scroll down and press the center button to select the battery lock page, and then press it once again to unlock and eject the battery. Place your hand below the battery to support it. Once the top end of the battery is disengaged, press the handle to release the battery and lift it out of the bike. With the bike inverted, use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the 2 bolts that secure the controller cover plate. Unplug the 5th cable plug and then remove the small cover plate. Use a 3mm hex wrench to remove the bolts securing each of the 3 cables to the controller. Note the color coordination of the cables to the label on the controller. Cut the zip ties securing the motor cable to the frame. Then, disconnect the motor connection by unthreading the lock rings and pulling the 2 motor connection plugs apart. Swap the motor harness. Reconnect the pink motor harness plug into the controller by aligning the arrow and firmly pressing the plug into the controller. Follow up by reconnecting the 3 bolt-on connections. Be sure to match the colors to the designated position shown on the label. Replace the small cover plate and guide the controller and cover assembly back into the frame of the bike. Reinstall the 2 controller cover plate bolts using a 2.5mm hex wrench. Reconnect the motor cable connection by aligning the arrows on the plugs and firmly pressing the connection together. Thread the lock rings together until snug. Replace the zip ties to attach the cable to the frame. Trim the excess zip tie. Reinstall the battery by inserting the bottom first and pressing the top to lock it in place. Press and hold the center power button to power on the bike and test for proper function.